Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to create a scrollable image effect with simple CSS code. When you hover on an image will be scrolled from top to bottom. You can use this to display long images in a creative way. Now let's get started. Go to the page where you want to add this image effect. I am creating this on a blank page. Now add a column block. I am selecting this column variation because I want to add an image on center of the page. Now add a cover block. Go to media. Select an image. This is the screenshot of my previous tutorial where I created Netflix landing page using Gutenberg Editor. You can find the link in the description. Now remove this overlay text. Then go to setting and set top position to 0. Now we need a custom CSS for image position from top to bottom on hover with transition. Now add a class to this cover so I can target this on CSS. Add a class name, let's say scrollable image. Now update the page. Go to dashboard. Add a new plugin called Code Snippet. I am using this plugin for adding my CSS code. Install it and activate. Go to snippets. This plugin has come with some default snippets. Now enable this CSS snippet, edit it, add CSS code here. You can find this CSS code in the description below. Now save this snippet, go to front end, now hover on image. That's all. If this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like this video.